Welcome to JEE NEET video lecture of Chapter 1 Electric Charge and Field. We are talking about topic Charge and Coulomb's Law, the problem number 6. In example 6, three equal charges are placed on the three corner of the square, right? Three equal charges are placed on the three corner of the square. So three equal charges, we assume that charge is a Q charge, right? Three corner of the square. If the force is between Q1 and Q2, so I will assume Q1 is equals to Q2 equals to Q3 and all of three having the value capital Q. Now consider this is a square. Consider this is a square. Capital Q charge here, capital Q charge here, and capital Q charge here. This is a Q1, Q2, and Q3. These are the three charges. The distance between Q1 and Q2 is A. Distance between Q2 and Q3 is also A because it's a square, and therefore distance between Q1 and Q3 is root 2A. According to the Pythagoras law, it becomes root 2A. So what should be the value of F12? The force between Q1 and Q2 is, the force between Q1 and Q2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square divided by A square. Q square divided by A square. Right? And then the force between Q1 and Q3, F13 is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square divided by root 2A whole square. So it becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square divided by A square, right? And root 2 square is 2. So I am writing 2A square, right? Root 2 square is 2. Okay, now we take a ratio f12 divided by f13. If we take a ratio of this two, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 will be cancelled, q square will be cancelled, and a square will be cancelled. So when you take a ratio of these two, it becomes f12 divided by f13 is equals to f12 1 because every thing will be cancelled for f12. F13 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 will be cancelled, q square will be cancelled, a square will be cancelled. So it will be 1 by 2. This 2 is in a denominator of the denominator. So it goes in numerator and the value becomes 2. So answer is the ratio 2. So B option is the right answer, right? So for that you have to visualize the square, the charges capital Q or a small q, the equal charge placed on each corner, three corner of the square, and then distance between Q1 and Q2 is A, and Q1 and Q3 is root 2A according to the Pythagoras law, right? And then apply the Coulomb's law formula. Just take a ratio of those two, and you find the answer as 2.